Sneak attack.
Well, I just thought about that video you're watching.
Which one's that?
The video you're watching right now.
Oh, with Creaky Blinder.
Yeah, and that really creepy guy.
Yeah, he's a complete.
You think he's just a paedophile?
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Because he kind of comes off as just like a paedophile, but he doesn't want to say
if
he's a
you,
paedophile.
yeah, because you listen to my posts.
No, I'm listening to the video. It's more that he just comes off as I'm a paedophile, but I can't say I'm a paedophile because then people will say I'm a paedophile.
But he's, yeah, he's disgusting.
Yes.
His ideas are disgusting, and we can't say it on mine how what I'd like to do to him, and
They need to invent a way for men to have to go through the pain of childbirth because then
yes,
they can
exactly.
through it.
Okay, well, I said a bowling ball, dude, but a peanut.
Yeah.
Well, when girls give birth,
Yeah.
women, sorry, please, women rather than girls, it's supposed to be the size of, I don't know, a melon.
A bowling ball. Yeah.
No, no, I said a bowling ball. I think it's a melon. It's large. Believe me, it's large.
Yes, children are large.
No, it's not the children are large. It's your head. Kids have all got big heads when you're born. That's why you got plates that shrink and contract
And
to
the squishy part.
yeah, the fontanella. Fontanella.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know. Also the postcode.
I just know it sounds
Postcode.
fun to
Postcard.
press.
Oh no, it's weird. It pulsates with your kids. This is weird.
Dad, careful.
Also,
They're laying on pieces.
so okay. Oh, still to these guys. Quiz.
What?
Hey.
Yeah, no. Keep pausing the video for so funny.
I know it's now. My nipple.
I keep forgetting because it's just the video keeps being paused for so damn long. Because your post for so long.
No, it's not the fact I paused. I stopped posting because I don't want to post every. I don't want to record everything. See, even my old tablet had a tablet. This is Galaxy. What was it?
I don't know what your old tablet
The
was.
original Galaxy thing. It was about almost a little bit bigger than the phone I'm using now, which is normal size phone. You know, 4.5 foot by about 10.5 foot.
Why does that matter?
No, it's the fact that the memory I had on that phone was brilliant, and I could have a stand with it and stuff. And this day and age, and what's this dude doing?
What?
He's changing the mummy backwards. Oh my god, that's so freaky. Can we, if we just play it back? Right. If we try and play this video forward, see what happens. Does the face? The face is gone. No, it didn't work because you got actually clearer picture this time. That's why. Sneaky peek. Shh, don't tell the builder. The master builder. The master builder. There's the master builder. See,
Please
master builder.